What's up, Viajeros? Today, ipapasal ko kayo sa Marriott Prague. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung luxury vibe. Super cozy ng lobby, di ba? Check out the Artisan area. Ang ganda ng interiors. After a quick check-in, ready na tayo for the highlights of this day. Medyo mahabang hallway but honestly, aesthetic siya. Perfect spot for those hallway OOTD shots habang papunta sa room.
Nakakatatak ng room, tig-isa pa.
Para magkagalit kayo ni inay?
Ay?
Kayo? Iwalay kayo yung kama?
Okay.
And we are here. Grabe, tingnan nyo naman yung room. Ang luwag, di ba? Very modern and fresh ang feel. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang bathroom check. Super clean, marble finish, and complete na lahat ang essentials mo. Freshness is key. Whether work or play, may dedicated space ka rito. Plus, ang laki ng wardrobe. Sakto sa lahat ng winter layers natin. Quick lakad muna tayo sa labas. Sobrang lapit lang ng Marriott sa mga iconic spots ng Prague. Kaya carry lang lumabas kahit gabi na. Good morning! Time for my favorite part of any staycation, breakfast buffet. Let's head down and eat.
Have a breakfast. Good morning, everybody. It's time for breakfast. Let's go.
Grabe yung spread dito sa The Artisan. From the fresh cold cuts and cheeses to local breads, mapapa-extra plate ka talaga. Look at my plate. Healthish pero super filling. Solid talaga ang experience dito. Amazing service plus the best location. If you're in Prague, you know where to stay. See you in the next one.